Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on TD Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for TD Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now we can see this option for login. So let's tap on this. Now here we need to enter our username. And since we do not know the password, we can click on forget username/password over here. So let's tap on this. And click on password over here. Now enter a username. And enter the social security number or your TIN number here. We need to enter last 4 digits only and simply click on continue. After which, once our social security number is verified, we get into next step in which we get the verification code in our email or phone number. Once that is done, we can reset our password. So that is all we can do to reset our password on TD Bank online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.